So this is our Unity Hub. We are going to create a project. So to create the project, you just need to go to click on the new project, and you can see some of my installed version. So you can see the warning, but we didn't care about the warning because we are the best game developer so far. So we are going to choose the Unity 6 for this project. So let's click on the Universal 3D as a template, and now let's rename the project as Fruits Drop. I don't need to check on the use on Unity version control. So now let's click on the create project. After that, you can see the Unity will pop up. So see you in the next video. Thank you.